Now that we've covered the app structure and the shared setup flow, we can focus on the first gadget in the app, custom charts. This is the gadget you'll use to turn Jira issue data into visual reports, compare categories, track trends, and surface key metrics directly on your dashboard. In this video, we'll build a custom chart, step by step. But more importantly, we'll look at how to choose the right chart for the question you're trying to answer. We'll cover chart types, grouping, two-dimensional charts, calculations, and display settings, so you can build dashboards that are both accurate and easy to read. The Custom Charts gadget supports 10 chart types across 5 categories. These include pie, bar, grouped bar, stacked bar, line, 2D line, table, 2D table, funnel, and tile. A basic custom chart follows a very simple flow. Add the Custom Charts gadget to your dashboard. Choose your data source and select your data. Choose how the right field required. Select a chart type and then save. That quick start flow is documented directly in the Custom Charts overview and is the foundation for everything else in this gadget. The first major decision is the chart type. Use pie for proportions, bar for category comparisons, grouped bar for side-by-side breakdowns, stacked bar for composition within totals, line for trends over time, 2D line for comparing multiple trends, table for exact values, 2D table for matrix views, funnel for stage progression, and tile for single KPI-style metrics. Once you choose a chart type, the next major decision is chart by. It determines how issues are grouped and displayed. Depending on the chart type, chart by creates slices, bars, points, rows, stages, or a single KPI value. There are 3 main ways to define segments in chart by. First, you can group by Jira fields, such as assignee, issue type, priority, project, and status. Second, you can define custom segments using JQL, which gives you complete control over how issues are grouped. And third, you can use saved filters as reusable segment definitions. Custom JQL segments are useful when standard Jira fields don't describe the story you want to tell. Once segments are created, you can rename them, reorder them, hide them, and recolor them. And also, when segment conditions overlap. So segment order matters. Use group by when one dimension is not enough. Group by adds a second grouping dimension, which turns the chart into a 2-dimensional view. Group by works with grouped bar, stacked bar, 2D line, and 2D table. A useful mental model is this. Chart by gives you the main categories or rows, and group by adds the second series or column dimension. For example, status plus issue type works well in a grouped bar view, while priority plus issue type works well in a stacked bar view. Another key setting is date range. It defines the time period the chart analyzes. All date. Past 3 days. Past 7 days. Past 30 days. Past 90 days. This week, This month, this year, last week, last month, last year, or a custom range. This is especially useful for trend reporting, sprint or release analysis, and any dashboard where the same chart needs to stay focused on a meaningful reporting window instead of all historical data. Selecting a template automatically applies. The chart structure fills the main configuration and generates a preview. Selecting a template automatically applies the chart type, the main chart, by setup, and, where relevant, additional settings like group by or display options. That gives you a ready-made starting point, which you can then adjust for your own dashboard. To give your chart more context, you can add reference lines. An average line shows the mean value across all segments. A trend line shows the overall direction of the data. And a goal line shows a fixed target value that you set. Reference lines are supported on bar, line, grouped bar, stacked bar, and 2 D-line charts. Once the chart logic is correct, the last step is readability. The Display Options tab lets you control date format, decimal places control, auto refresh export, layout, tooltips, labels, axis labels, legend behavior, table limits, and export visibility. Use low percentage precision, limit rows, and enable auto refresh only for live dashboards. Before saving, keep a few best practices in mind. Choose the chart type based on the reporting scenarios. Limit segments for readability. Use line charts only for sequential data. Keep color meaning consistent. And start with narrower data before scaling up. The documentation reinforces these habits because they make dashboards faster, clearer, and more useful for teams and stakeholders. Now that you know how to build effective visual reports with custom charts, the next step is the second gadget in the app, Issue List. In the next video, we'll look at how to build configurable issue tables, add smart labels, create quick filters, and make dashboard data easier to scan and act on.